How beautiful. I've lost my voice for almost, oh my gosh, since the middle of January. Right in the middle of a sentence, it'll be gone. And I just opened up my phone and it says throat and chords from SAPIEN medicine, energetic healing from sounds, and that's pretty cool. So anyway, follow the link, I'll get it in there, and we'll see if I can keep my voice. I'm going to give this a shot. So SAPIEN medicine, check them out. They have things for pain. You can not take medicine, but through energy and sound, and I guess technology type of medicine. So, all right, anyway, love and light. Love y'all. Have a great night.